And here we have Evernote on Windows. Okay, so again, much that's similar to the account that we just looked at on the Mac. You've got your demos or your username here, and you can switch between different accounts. You've got your left and right arrows to switch between notes. You've got your sync icon. This activity icon, again, refers to the fact that, and this is the same account that I was using on the Mac, so it just refers to the fact that a note or a notebook has been shared with me, and once I click on it, it would go away because it would assume that I've already read that. You've got your new note button up here, which is a little bit different than what we saw on the Mac, but since everything's labeled, it's not hard to figure this stuff out. Over here, again, these are your notes, and if you click in the body of the note, you have, as before, the notebook that you're working with. You could switch to another notebook if you wanted to, or move this note to another notebook. Add your tags right here. And then here are different icons that are similar to the one on the Mac. You've got the clock icon for reminders. This is the icon for sharing. You can share by email, post to Facebook, your different social media accounts, or copy your note URL to a clipboard and paste that into an email or on a web address, things of that sort. Again, you've got your information icon that tells you different information attributes related to this note, title, when it was created, where, etc. And then, of course, you've got your trash can. In the middle pane here, again, we have the list of notes. Should be very familiar to you by now. And then over here on the left, we've got our list of notes and notebooks as before. Now, one thing you're going to see on the Windows version that you did not see on the Mac is you're going to see advertisements on the Windows version. If you upgrade to Premium, you do not have advertisements. And we can choose to close these, which I will. And I'll close that one as well. So you have the choice of closing them, but you don't have the choice as to whether or not they're going to appear. You can't close them out. For one reason or another, fortunately, if you are a Mac user, you don't have advertisements to deal with at all. So that is one of the nice features of the Mac. Now here's your notes and your notebooks. And again, just like on Windows, corresponds exactly to what we saw there. We've got our tags. And here you've got these little disclosure buttons that you can toggle back and forth to reveal the different notes and the different tags. So there you have it in a nutshell, the sort of overview of the interface for Windows and the Mac. And in the next video, we'll get into more depth into notes and notebooks, and we'll see you in the next video.